away stuff. Yes. So today in this session, let us move or let us learn about post Rigveda period. Yes, post Rigveda period. So let us move without wasting time. See, after Rigveda, Samaveda, Yajurveda and Atharvana Veda. Yes, Atharva Veda or Atharvana Veda. After Rigveda, Samaveda, Yajurveda or Atharva Veda appeared as the continuation of contributory to it. What contributory? So in Rigvedic period you learn what all the contributories are there. What all the things they have done. Yes? Next. These means which are not the continuation and also contribute. Yes? So these contribute or these continuations are named after three priesthoods. Named after three priesthoods and who conduct the three different yagnas. Yes, see. After the continuation or after the Rigvedic period, we can name three priesthoods. After the Rigvedic period, we can identify as three priesthoods, and these three priests were conducted three types of yagnas here. Yes. So which are the three types of yagnas were conducted by the three priesthoods? Yes. Here priesthoods were divided into three parts or three types of priesthoods we can learn. Okay. These three priests only divide the yagnas. Yes. Like Samana, Advaryu and Atharvana. Samana, Advaryu and Atharvana. What is mean by Samana, Advaryu and Atharvana? See, I have written. Samana means Udghatri. Udghatri means singer. Yes. In ancient time also we can see a dancer, singer and even artist. Yes. See. Samana means Udghatri. Udghatri in English we used to call it as a singer. Next. Advaryu. Advaryu is the one who recites Yajur Sutras. Sutras means shlokas. Like how in mathematics you people recite the sutras. Yes, like that. Next, Atharvana. Atharvana, this belongs to the Agni Deva. Okay, Atharvana is also called Angira. Angira means the priest of Agni. The priest of Agni. See, Samana, Udghatri, singer. Advaryu, one who recites Yajur Sutras, and Atharvana, Angira, priest of Agni. Yes? So now comes the part of the Samaveda. Rigveda we already learned. Yes? So what the topic had Samaveda and Yajurveda we are going to learn now. Yes? See, Samaveda has taken much from the Rigveda. Samaveda has taken a place better than or much than Rigveda. Yes? But why? See, but why it had taken with few alterations. With few alterations of the borrowed content, it mainly consisted of the shlokas. Shlokas are also called mantras. Yes? Then that are recited at the time of yagnas. Whichever the shlokas were written in the time of or in the place of Samaveda, those all the mantras or mantras is also called shlokas. Shlokas are also called mantras. Yes? See, few of the alterations were recited in Samaveda. Samaveda was particularly belongs to the mantras, reciting the mantras. Okay? So, during the time of yagnas or yagas, particularly which are all the shlokas were written in Samaveda. Yes? Those all the shlokas were recited during the yagnas. This is the importance of the Samaveda. Let me read it once again. Samaveda has taken much from the Rigveda. In Rigveda period, we can so many shlokas were written, but those all the shlokas were recited or consisted yajnas and yagas. Yes. Next comes the Yajurveda. Yajurveda has two different types of text. This is the important in Yajurveda. Yes. Each Veda has its own or its uniqueness, its particular place they belongs. Yes. See. Yajurveda has two different types of texts. One is black, another one is white. These are black and white, these are not the colors. Yes. Black is also called Krishna, white is called Shukla. Yes. Have you ever heard Krishna Paksha and Shukla Paksha? Have you heard Shukla Paksha and Krishna Paksha? If you heard, then listen it carefully. Those two words, Shukla Paksha and Krishna Paksha, were borrowed from the Yajurveda. Yes, they started to comes from the Yajurveda. Yes, see here. So what is the which are the two types of text here? There are two types of text, that is Krishna and another one is Shukla. Yes, Krishna is also called black Yajurveda and Shukla is also called white Yajurveda. In Yajurveda there are two types of text there. Okay, one is black Yajurveda, another one is white Yajurveda. Yes, Krishna Paksha, Shukla Paksha. Yes, see here. In the black Yajurveda, there are explanations about the way of reciting. In black Yajurveda, there is an explanation. There is an explanation how the reciting was going on. Means how the shlokas were, how to recite the shlokas and mantras, and also has commentary and discussion on the same. See, in black Yajurveda, there are explanations about shlokas or mantras and also how to recite the shlokas. These two important things has been written in black Yajurveda. Yes, not also that, even also has commentary and discussion. Some of the discussions, the shlokas discussed in black Yajurveda, and also commentaries also we can see in black Yajurveda. And next comes the white Yajurveda. The white Yajurveda has only mantras but no explanation. In black Yajurveda we can see shlokas explanations, comments, discussions we can see, and also how to recite the mantras and shlokas that we can see in black Yajurveda. But in white Yajurveda, shlokas were not going to explain it. Okay, in white Yajurveda, shlokas will not be explained. Okay, next, there is a reference to iron. Here comes iron. Yes, there is a reference to iron in this. Hence we can conclude that this Veda is not before common era. See, in the period of Yajurveda, we can see the use of the iron. So when we used to see that the iron is getting used in the period of Yajurveda, at that time the term or the common era comes 1000. Yes, that also this Veda, this Yajurveda is not before the 1000, before common era. Understood? Means after the 1000, before common era only, the use of iron will come. So the content of this white Yajurveda will also come. So here guys, we people have learned the Samaveda and also Yajurveda. In Yajurveda, there are two types of texts. Yes, so these two texts we have learned. That is white Yajurveda and black Yajurveda. In white Yajurvedas, shlokas will not be explained. Yes, but in black Yajurveda, shlokas were getting explained here. We can see the explanation of shlokas, commentaries we can see, discussions we can see, and also how to recite the shlokas. These things we have learned here. Yes. this we are going to conclude it. Yes, see here. Atharva Veda is similar to Rig Veda. Lots of similarities are there between the Rigvedic period and Atharva period. Yes, see, like size and content. Like size and content. How the Rigveda was very vast size and even the content. In the same way, the Atharva Veda is also same as Rigveda in size and content. Yes, see, it means Atharva Veda has taken much from the 10th mandala. 10th mandala means you know how many shlokas will come, and all the shlokas are included in this 10 mandalas. Yes, but Rigveda and the Atharva Veda belongs to this 10th mandala. 10th mandala, not 10 mandalas. Okay, next. See, it is in prose. Most of the Atharva Veda, what all the shlokas were written, all the shlokas and all the reciting things were written in the form of prose. There are two types of things we can see in Atharva Veda and even the Rig Veda also. Prose and poetry. Do you know what is mean by the prose and what is poetry? You know already. Okay. So all the contents are in the form of prose here. Okay. In which Veda? In Atharva Veda. It has used, the Atharva Veda was used the language of Brahmanas rather than the ancient. See, here in Atharva Veda, very easiest language we can see which was recited or which was written by the Brahmanas. What the language Brahmanas used to speak, that language was used in Atharva Veda. So, how the Rig Veda was very difficult to learn, but that was very difficult to learn, but these prose of the Atharva Veda were written in the language of Brahmana. For that reason, we can read it very easily. Yes, next. The geographical details in this Veda are different. The geographical details in this Veda are different. The found in the Rig Veda. See, the geographical features are different between Atharva Veda and the Rig Veda. Content and size are same, but this geographical details are different. Whether it is Atharva Veda or Rig Veda. Yes. Next. This shows which one the geographical details are different now. So that shows that Aryans had moved to east by that time. Aryans are like they are moving from one place to one place. During the period of Atharva Veda, they used to move to the east by that time. That time is during the Atharva Veda. Yes. So, Sama Veda you people have learned. Yes. Atharva Veda now you have learned, and Yajur Veda you learn. In Yajur Veda, 3 priestesses will come. 3 priestesses used to do 3 different types of yajnas. Whom so are there? In English, what we used to call them. Those things we have learned. Sama Veda, Atharva Veda, Yajur Veda, you learn in this session. Yes. So